This video is about the Canon 90D and its slow motion recording mode at 120 frames per second. I got my 90D about a month ago, but I was not able to do any testing because of the COVID-19 social distancing restrictions. But now a local park has opened up, so I got to shoot some waterfalls. Hope you enjoy the video. So this was the first time in my life I've tried slow motion video. So the results maybe aren't that spectacular, but I had a blast just playing around with it. The place I like to go at least 2 times a year to shoot stills and now some video is Ricketts Glens State Park in Benton, Pennsylvania. I really get a chance to geek out on nature and it's really peaceful. I highly recommend if you go to this spot that you go during the week and go early in the morning. And essentially you have the whole place to yourself. I mean, I like people a lot, but I really like to kind of be on my own and independent and not have any other photographer shooting at the same time that I am. This wasn't a how-to video, it was just meant to show you a couple samples. It was my first try at shooting slow motion video with the 90D. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell so you won't miss the next video on the Canon 90D. Look for a how-to video coming up on the Canon Geek YouTube video channel. The 90D is the first camera I've bought in several years, and my biggest worry was how it would perform with high ISO, how much noise would be in there. So look for that video coming up real soon. I'm going to test that. And thanks for watching. See you next time.